Subject is English of Standard 3rd and the name of the lesson is Young Brave Hearts. Students, this is about National Bravery Award for Children. She is Mahika Gupta and he is Shubham Santosh Chaudhary. Students, you know this lesson is about National Bravery Award for Children, right? Now, here Mahika Gupta and Shubham Santosh Chaudhary both received National Bravery Award on 2013. Students, do you want to know that how these two became eligible for the award? Then, come on students, let us read the lesson and get the brave stories of these students. Okay? Young Brave Hearts. The Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on Friday, 24th January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. You know that Republic Day is always on 26th January, isn't it? This prize giving ceremony was conducted on 24th January 2014. You can see here the students or the children who were selected for this National Bravery Award of 2013. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls, and the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year-old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Yes, students, this picture is of Mahika Gupta. She was at that time 8.5-year-old girl. Like you, she was in standard 3rd at that time. Isn't it? Now, today we are going to read her story. You can say a brave story. Okay? Students, we are watching DD news clip on Uttarakhand floods. On 16th June 2013, Mahika Gupta was at Kedarnath along with her parents and relatives. She saved her brother's life bravely at the time of this flood. So, she was selected for National Bravery Award for Children. Students, we will go through Mahika's brave story in detail. Okay? Mahika was chosen for the coveted Bharat Award for saving the life of her 4-year-old brother Dhairya during the Uttarakhand floods last year. Last year means on 2013. Okay? On 16th June 2013, Mahika was in Kedarnath Valley with her family and relatives, where she had gone to offer prayers at the Kedarnath temple. Students, you know that there is a huge Kedarnath temple at Uttarakhand, and on 2013 a flood arrived in the Uttarakhand, which was very devastating, isn't it? At around 7 p.m., when she was alone in the hotel room with her younger brother, flood waters slammed into the building. Lights went out and the room was filled with water and debris. Mahika saw her younger brother being swept away in the flood waters. Acting fast, she pulled her brother out and stayed in the room clinging to a window rod before they finally managed to get out. See her bravery. There was a flood and both were alone at the hotel. She was elder to that boy whose name was Dhairya. And what happened? By the flood water, the younger brother Dhairya was swept away in the flood water. She saw him and she held him and she clung to a window rod before they finally managed to get out. Students, like this, Mahika saved her brother. But she was in a state of shock for weeks after that. The brave heart, when asked how she did it, says, "I didn't know from where I got the strength. I just knew I had to save my brother and put all my energy to hold him close to me." The family of 16 people had gone for a pilgrimage, but unfortunately only 10 of them returned back home. Yes, students, 16 people from one family, they visited Kedarnath, but because of that flood, 6 died and only 10 members returned back home. And the bravery of Mahika saved her brother, isn't it? Here we can see the slogans or the quotes. Bravery is in doing the right thing even when one is afraid. Here this is perfect for Mahika, isn't it? She was afraid by watching the water coming inside the hotel, isn't it? Then also bravely she acted and she saved her brother's life. We become just by performing just actions. We become brave by performing brave actions. Keep this in your mind. Okay? Students, now we will move to the one more brave story of a National Bravery Award winner. Okay, that is Shubham Santosh Chowdhury from Maharashtra. He has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. See, this is the picture of Shubham Santosh Chaudhary. Now we will move to his situation. Okay. Shubham was on his way from school on 11th August 2012. He was very happy. He is coming to his home. While coming, he has to cross National Highway. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the National Highway. He stopped there. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly, and the van was burning. What he did? Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. In van, there were two girls. Shubham pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. Students, so many people were there, but no one came forward for help. Correct? But Shubham rushed and gave help and saved the lives of two girls. Isn't he the brave boy? Yes, so he was selected for the National Bravery Award for Children. Got this, students? The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. This is written by Nelson Mandela. Students, every year national awards are given to young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. Here outstanding means extraordinary actions or extraordinary deeds of bravery. Now we have gone through two stories of children who were brave and courageous, isn't it? These children present inspiring examples for other children. Students, every year children get National Bravery Award for their good deeds, isn't it? Extraordinary deeds. We can read about their acts of courage in the newspapers or on the internet. If you want to listen or if you want to see the courageous deeds made by the children, and then you go and search on Google. Okay, search on Google or YouTube and put only National Bravery Award for Children. Then you can observe and you can go through all the different deeds or extraordinary actions made by the children. Okay. Students, National Bravery Award 2020. Here also I think 49 children got the National Bravery Award in 2020. We will go through and we will watch some of the stories and also for what are the deeds they did, for that they got the National Bravery Award. Okay. She is Parikul Bharadwaj, a 13-year-old, has been conferred the National Bravery Award 2020. She is the youngest ever female social worker to serve for high altitude medical care during her entire summer vacations of 45 days. She provided social services to the Kedarnath pilgrims at an altitude of 14,000 feet. "15-year-old Ishan Sharma saved a Russian tourist from two robbers and he said Atithi Devo Bhava." Right? Omkar Singh holds the world record for the youngest theoretical author. Gauri Mishra has the youngest pianist of India record in her name. These children were among those who were given the Bal Shakti Puraskar 2020. In the age group of 5 to 18 years at a ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Bal Shakti Puraskar is given to children in the fields of bravery, innovation, social service, scholastic, sports, art and culture, and carries a medal, a cash prize of 1 lakh, a certificate and a citation. The 49 awardees also included 12-year-old Darsh Malani. Malani has performed over 50 magic shows worldwide. And 11-year-old Manoj Kumar Rohar has been awarded for his mastery in Tabla Vadan, while Gaurav Biswas is an exceptional dancer. Despite being diagnosed with Down syndrome and 50% intellectual disability, he won the award in the Art and Culture category. Ten-year-old Lalkan Sangh won the award in the Bravery category. He saved the lives of 3 girls from drowning in a large fish pond in Manipur. Clearly, all these children are an epitome of courage, motivation, leadership. You also do some nice things, dear students, right? You are also children, correct? You can also do some nice things. However small they may be. Don't think that you have to do the big things or the extraordinary things. For example, helping a younger child, telling a truth, even when you have made a mistake, helping a handicapped child, or helping a old aged person, right? These are all nice things you can do in your life. Okay? Now, try to help others. Okay, dear students?